Hello everyone, this is Rocket Rock. Thank you once again for tuning into my channel. And of course, by the title you can tell that I am reviewing Wendy's, where they have the Italian mozzarella chicken sandwich. Now it does come, you can get it in chicken, and if you do chicken you can even have like the original, the spicy, or you can have it grilled. I'm going with the chicken, and I'm gonna of course go with the spicy, because you know we like it hot over here. And they did have the burger options always. I think it's a single, double, triple, and everything, but just wasn't really interested in trying that one, so I'm gonna try that, the garlic fries, and the peppermint shake. So as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And don't forget, if you just loved, if you comment, even if it's just to say hi, I will say hi back. And don't forget to share, and ever so often to just check my community page. That's something I'm working on. Like there are polls or maybe some behind the scenes things or other videos that may not show up in the regular. I'm still working on that, but just I am what you do all of that. Okay, so I have the chicken version of it, the fried chicken, and let's see what it's about. I mean, it's quite hefty. Let's open the lid and see what it did. And so we got the fried mozzarella, and you see the sauce. Let's see. I'm just trying to open it up and let you see it. I got the spicy one. And I put the lid on there. I did warm it up a bit because I'm not gonna eat anything cold. No. Wait, I'm gonna go ahead and bite into the sandwich. And then we'll talk about it. It says it's in my book, I'm looking at the website. It says a juicy, lightly breaded, crispy chicken breast, topped with deep fried melted mozzarella, Asiago cheese, and rich marinara sauce, all on a garlic knot bun. So that's a little bun supposed to be like the garlic knot. So I'm gonna go into it. Let's see what it does or what it do. But you know what time it is, right? Know what time it is.
Monster Rock Fight time. Oof.
Definitely tastes a bit of the spice. Because I ordered the spicy one. Now, at first, I really thought looking at the website, I thought when they said, when you order it, which is a garlic sauce, it's not like a sauce, but it's more like a seasoning, like a buttery garlic seasoning with the fries. So, you know, my favorite color is black, second favorite color is red. So I have my little fork. I got my little red fork. So let's see here. Got it. do love garlic. I love garlic. Despite being a vampire, nothing you heard is true. But I will tell you, I was a little apprehensive about the fries because I like garlic, like so wings. I love chicken wings, but when it comes to garlic wings, I like a dry rub version. I don't like sauce, so I was a little apprehensive about what this was going to be when I found out it's more of like a garlicky butter sauce. Not sauce, like if you melted some butter or then put some garlic and stuff in it. And a little bit of parsley. And of course I love the skin on. I do like that. There's a little bit of spice there, not that much. Not mad or dead. That's all. Last but not least, I am going to try out. Oh, first, well, not first. I'm gonna try out dripping on. And peppermint shake, peppermint frosty. And this is my spoon. I thought it was gonna have a straight cup, but it didn't. But not get much of anything, but scent wise. Let's see. I'm gonna say because I like Wendy's Frosties. The chocolate is a classic. And then when I tried the strawberry one, it did not disappoint. This one, I don't get peppermint. I do get a very good, tasty, frosty dessert. Even though it's like it has that pink tint to it. If you didn't tell me, I wouldn't know it was peppermint. But you know, we do that on the back here. It's like kind of gives you. Now, don't get me wrong. I like the texture of it. The flavor is good, but like really trying to pull in, like, oh, what are you getting? I was contemplating when it came out. I was debating whether or not to try it. It's one of those things, again, it's like I'm not gagging, falling over, and but that's always a good sign, right? So that's a good thing. I'm glad I tried it because I do like to experiment with different things and taste new things and new menu items as they come out. But for my scale of 1 to 8, like I always say, with my 8, I use 8 because 8 is one of my favorite numbers. So 8, it will be the best, and 1 is the not so best. Yes, I like to say it that way. As far as the chicken sandwich, and like I said, I tried already. Like in my mind, I'm like, I don't even want to try the burger version. Like, no. Let me see. What I'll do, an election of the one I had was the spicy chicken. I didn't have the grilled, didn't have the original. It was supposed to be the spicy one. I will have to give that, my overall ranking on that would be, I would say I'm going to give it a 2.5. Yeah. pretty much a 2.5. The spice level is so negligible in the spice levels of the 1 to 8 because I can't give it anything less than a 1. I would get spice level a 1. But no, I would not recommend it again. So overall, and the shit, like I mean, the Frosty is good. I mean, now the Frosty could serve as a base for something. Like, if I was gonna make a dessert or something, it could work that way. But for you to present yourself as being a peppermint Frosty and to do something for the season for the holidays, I don't see that. I mean, this just tastes like a really good. I love Wendy's Frosties. It tastes good. It does taste good. But that's about it. Don't forget, so once again, first of all, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. I appreciate all of your likes and subscriptions. I was like, yeah, we got 22 subscribers. I got some things I'm working on. The holidays coming on. I have some that's some spoiler work for some behind the scenes with Christmas decor. Some of the things I'm working on for Vlogmas. I'm still working on one of the 12 or 25 days. It's a lot going on, but I thank you all so much. I'm speaking to the mic. Thank you all so much for tuning into my channel. This is Rock Your Rock. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, comment, even if it's just to say hi. I will say hi back. Until next time, hi today.